Let's make some Instant Pot potato soup. It's super creamy, super delish, and super easy. Start with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, some garlic and onions. Put it on saute feature, but keep the onion and garlic moving. That saute feature can get a little hot. Now we add in 8 cups of cubed potatoes, 4 cups of chicken broth. Close it up. Set your time to 8 minutes. Do a quick release when it's done. Take the cover off, get an immersion blender or a potato masher, mash it to your desired consistency. Then take 1 cup of heavy cream, whole milk or half and half will work also. Mix that in, salt and pepper to taste, and that's it. It is as easy as that. Super delicious, super yummy, warm, comfort food that is perfect on any chilly day. Put some cheese and bacon on top, little sour cream if you like it. It is just delicious, so yummy. I hope you love it. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I appreciate it, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, everyone.